with consumption analytics, we are going to create knowledge for ourselves and for airlines about the consumption behavior of passengers. This is just super interesting because right now there are no facts or information what is happening on the plane with complimentary food. So it's kind of a black box. And we with consumption analytics try to solve that as we create data and really see what dishes passengers like and what didn't they like, and maybe even if the loading was appropriate for that flight. We have designed a camera system specifically for airline kitchens, so for our CSCs, where we can easily, the CSC staff, our airline kitchen staff, can take pictures from every tray as fast as possible to not interrupt the process. These pictures of the trays are then basically uploaded to us, and then we run an AI on it that will just recognizes the different food items. Passenger provide from consumption analytics because we can serve them what they really want on their flight. Airlines profit from consumption analytics also in different ways. The first is, of course, better meals, better service, better customer satisfaction, right? So if the customers are happy, then it's clear that customers or airlines are benefiting from that. Weight that customers eat is good weight because it's fine, customers will eat it, right? Weight that customers are not eating is just dead weight, which is wasted.